going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be opening up 10 new 2023 Matchbox cars. The first model we're opening up today is the Express Delivery from FedEx. This is the FedEx truck that everybody loves, and I only was able to pick up one of these. I left a bunch of them, had no idea how desirable they were, but super cool FedEx truck, 56 of 100. 70th anniversary, you can see that there. Let's get it open and check it out. Alright, so we have a metal base and a plastic body. Nice FedEx truck, and if you notice that arrow, that means that they're going to progress in the future or something. But really cool FedEx truck. Definitely nice with the chrome ring disc wheels. Nice details on that. There is the front there with FedEx. And the other side, here's a look on the interior of the vehicle. Nice sunroof as well. And there's the back. And overall, pretty cool model. Audi E-Tron, number 1 of 100, the first one of the year. And as you can hear, the bubble is very broken. We can just pull that right out of there and take a look. So this has a nice metallic gray kind of color on this Audi sedan or crossover SUV kind of thing. This is 4 doors, dark chrome wheels. Those are split 10 spokes. There's the back there with E-Tron Quattro. I mean, it's 4-wheel drive. And there is the other side, a black interior on this. And there is the front right there. Once again, very cool model. Beautiful Audi. And a gray plastic base. Made in Thailand, all these are. Pretty cool. Here's a really nice one, the 2020 Corvette. This is the C8, number 31 of 100 for 2023. Let's crack it open. See what we're dealing with here. This has a metallic, kind of a pearlescent white kind of color with black sport 5 spokes. This looks very nice. The wheels fit very well with this casting. Have a black stripe on the hood, painted headlights and Corvette logo. There is the side there, nice painted black accents, no tail lights. Pretty cool. There's the front there, near the top. Really cool Corvette. And there is the base. This is a black plastic base. And a nice representation of the C8 Corvette. Here's another super hot model, Toyota 4Runner. They're going to make a blue one as well, but this is the red one. I found quite a few of these. This is a very realistic looking model, and I love the realistic Matchbox cars. They're always great to have. And this is going to look way nicer out of the package. Check that out. Beautiful Toyota 4Runner. Very nice cars in real life as well. This has a black plastic base. This is a 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Very nicely put together. There's the front end. Very realistic. The gray interior. Sunroof. Enamel red paint. There's the back, very nice with the Toyota logo and 4Runner on the back. Such a nice model here. And there you guys go, very nice. Love the cherry red on this. And the chrome utility 6 spokes. Here's a 2018 Dodge Charger. This is in black, the new color, 13 of 100. And I guess you could call this an undercover cop car, like an unmarked cruiser. You can interpret it any way you want, but this could be an unmarked cruiser. Look at the license plate, very dark license plate. It had you could put like police plates on it and call it a unmarked unit. Put some lights in there maybe, but beautiful gloss black color. This has the split 10 spokes and dark chrome once again. Very nice color on this. I think they also made a purple one of this casting. There you go. There's the back. Charger RT. Right on the back there. There's the details. Interior. And there you guys go. Very nice Charger right here. And there's the front with the Dodge grill, hood scoop. Everything going for this car. Very nice model. Here's another electric model, the Tesla Roadster, in a new silver color with chrome wheels, 91 of 100. And here's a look at the packaging. I opened up a matte red one from 2021. This is from 2023. I'm not sure if they made a 2022 edition of this casting, but I'd have to look it up. That was a horrible open, but that's all right. Metallic silver and chrome split 10 spokes. Nice Tesla front end. Open canopy on top. What year Tesla Roadster is it supposed to be? I'm not sure. But there's the back there. 0 emissions. 0 reliability. I'm just kidding. Okay. They're not the most reliable cars, is what I'm saying. But anyways, I think that's a gray interior. Oh, interesting steering wheel. All right. Well, nice Tesla Roadster. Nice model. This is going to be my second color of it. Very cool. And love the realistic castings by Matchbox. And our last EV of the video, Rivian R1T. This is the pickup truck, number 38 of 100. Very nice model. I saw one of these and I'm like, what the heck is it? Then I saw it as a Matchbox. I'm like, yo, that's what it is. Okay. So, metallic blue. I believe this is a new model. Oh, wow. Nice canopy on top. And you can see that there. It actually has a little lip right there. That's what I'm noticing. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. There's the front end. Why does that remind me of like a Bentley or a Rolls Royce or something? I don't know. Dark chrome utility 6 spokes with Rivian on the side. 4-door pickup. Big pickup truck here. Here's the back. Very nice. The R1T. And the other side. Very nice model. Very realistic. Would look great in a city setting. Light gray plastic base. And this is just super nice. Here's a recolor of the 2018 Bentley Bentayga in pearl white. Very nice looking. 4 of 100. And there is the back there. And this is a very tough open. I just crinkled the package really bad. I do save the card backs. I don't really care what condition they're in. I just throw away the plastic and keep the card back. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I have a red one of these as well that I have yet to open, but for now we'll just settle with this beautiful pearl white one. Dark chrome wheels, Bentley on the back, very nice details on this. Nice SUV, great spinning wheels, dark windows, really dark windows. I don't think I can see in those. I'm assuming there's no interior on this then, just to save money, I guess. Here is the base, dark gray. Look at the detail on the front. That's really nice. And if we look on the Rivian, I don't know. Not very similar, actually, now that I look at them. But very nice. Kind of reminds me of the Audi. I mean, kind of similar, but not really. But I have different colors of both of those models that I can open up in future videos. But here you go, 2018 Bentley Bentayga. Here's a super cool model, the 1995 Nissan Hardbody D21. Newest release of it in white with the cycle runner and blue and red striping. 72 of 100 on the year. I opened up a white one before, and there's also a teal one that came out between the white one, the other white one, and this one. So let's get this open and see what we're dealing with. Whoa, where'd all the glue go? All right, then, I'll take it. That was easy. Ta-da! What kind of color is this? Is this, yep, it's enamel white, looking very nice. Beautiful Nissan with the utility 6s. Utility 6-spoke wheels. Red hood. There's the front there. Canopy or sunroof. There's a spare tire. This is an actual wheel type that they used on the teal one and the previous releases as well. It's a chain in the back. Tow hitch on this one. That's a plus. Nice little pickup truck here. Looking very nice with the retro decals on it. And this casting came out in 2019. So this is a 1995 Nissan Hardbody D21. Very nice model. And last but not least, 2016 Nissan Sentra. And I've been waiting for this one for a while. Nice blue color. I think this came out with a wheel variation, but I think it was just like an error, a really rare variation that I'll probably never find. I think it had Sport 5 spokes on it, which I would really love if that actually existed as an actual variation. But yeah, if anyone has one for sale, I'll probably buy it. I don't have a lot of money though, so it's fine. Probably sell some of these then. Alright, nice blue 2016 Nissan Sentra, very realistic model. And I love the realistic, normal, everyday cars that you'll see. Just because these cars would be great in dioramas and everyday things. And a 2022 copyright on this. 2016 Nissan Sentra, metallic blue with silver-colored 6 spokes. Look at the beautiful front end. Love the realistic front end of this Nissan with the fog lights even painted. Gray interior. All the nice cars have gray interiors. Very nice. Here's the back. Very beautiful. It's a Sentra SR. Look at that. I mean, love the details. Love the details on these cars. Matchbox did a great job on this Sentra. And this is just simply very nice. Black plastic base. And super nice. Alright guys, well, which one was your favorite? My pick would probably be the Sentra or the 4Runner. What would you guys say? Thank y'all for watching. Please comment down below what you'd like to see next and which one was your favorite. And I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and check out my other channels as well. I'm going to do a metal detecting channel, and I have like an entertainment/gaming channel as well. And I'm not really too strict on YouTube anymore. It's just something I do for fun now. But anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.